Thank you so much once again, and we are very feeling honored, and we are very happy that you have visited Balochstan, and we wish to continue these visits. And as you know that the members mentioned here about the visa problem they are facing, so we hope that Mr. Murad, you will solve this problem. And on the behalf of government of Balochstan, as you know that our government is very much determined and focused to make Balochistan a trade hub of Pakistan. So we always welcome international delegations, and you know the exchange of programs and exchange of, like, if we organize workshops, seminars, B2B meetings, student exchange programs, so this will bring us closer. And of course, we all are humans, whether if you live in Germany, we live here in Pakistan, or in any other country. As a human being, we have we know that our needs are same, and the way of living, it's almost same. So here I would like to mention one very important thing, that don't make the language your hurdle. You know, your language, it's the beauty, it's your resemblance, it's your culture. So we can organize a translator, Mr. President, because now many international delegations, they will visit Chamber, and we know that Chamber is the backbone of any country. And we will work together, Dr. Lutz, that we know that as a Pakistani and on the behalf of government of Balochistan, we always believe that our country is the earth, and we are the citizen of this world, which is consist of only one race, human race. Thank you so much.